Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. Welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am going to explain class 8 subject maths exercise 3. But in exercise 3B, I am going to discuss evaluate 38 square minus 37 square. So this is question number 7 from exercise 3B. This is question number 7 from exercise 3B. So my question is that evaluate question number 1 38 square minus 37 square. So this form of numerical can be solved by using an identity. So identity will be a square minus b square equal to inside one bracket a plus b and inside another bracket will be a minus b. So a square that means 38 square, b square that means 37 square. So it will be in the form of a square and b square. We can write 38 plus 37, 38 plus 37, and in another bracket 38 minus 37. Here 38 and 37 will be added, but how? Let us see. 8 7 15 carry 1 and 3 3 6 1 7 75, and 38 minus 37. When 37 is subtracted from 38, it will be 1. Then here will be 75. 75 that will be 75. So this is the solution of the given question 38 square minus 37 square. It can be solved by using an identity. Identity will be a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square will be a plus b and a minus b. That means a plus b and a minus will be expanded form of a square minus b square. So numerical can be converted into form of 38 plus 37 in one bracket, but in another bracket 38 minus 37. 38 plus 37 when added we get 75. 38 and 37 will be subtracted, it will be 1. When both are multiplied together we get 75. This is the final answer. But my next question will be question number 8. My question number 8 is using the formula. Question number 8, using the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Evaluate question number 1 310 square. Then for solving this numerical 310 square, first of all we take an help of given formula a plus b. Given formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square So 310 will be converted in the form of a plus b. It will be right 300 plus 10 whole square equal to 300 plus 10 whole square will be expand according to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square, that means 300 square plus 2ab. Plus 2ab means plus 2 into a into b. Plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. 2 into 300 into 10 plus 10 square, that means b square. So 300, when we get the square of 300, it will be 9 then 0, 40 plus 2 3 are 6, it will be 6000 plus, when we get the square of 10, it will be 100, and after that both are added. Both are added, that means 9000 940 plus 6000 plus 6000 plus 100 plus 100, then 0 0 1, then 6, then 9. 9 6 1 double 0 equal to 9 6 1 double 0. This is the evaluation of question number 8. Question number 1. When we get the square of 310 with the help of identity, with the help of formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. When we get the help of formula, that a plus b, it will be expanded in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then 310 can be written in the form of 300 plus 10. That means it will be converted into a plus b whole square. Then it will become 300 plus 2 into 300 into 10, as in the formula 2ab, 2 into a into b plus b square, that means 10 square. Then we get the square of 300, we get 940, that means 90,000. Then when we multiply 2 into 300 into 10, we get 6,000. When we get the square of 10, it will be 100. When all the added together, we get 96100. See the final answer of the given question 310 whole square. After that, my next question will be question number 9. In question number 9, using the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square. Evaluate question number 1. 196 square. So by using the formula a minus b square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, it means a minus b square can be expanded in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So with the help of that formula, we have to solve 196 square. So 196 square can be written in the form of 200 minus 4. That means 200 minus 4, that means 196. If we subtract 4 from 200, we get 196. So this question will be solved according to the given formula. That means a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. With the help of this formula, this numerical will be solved. But how it will be done? We can write a square, that means square of 200, minus 2ab minus 2 into a, that means 200 into b into 4 plus square of 4. Then we get square of 200, then it will be 2 to the 4, then 4 0. That will be 40,000. Minus 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 1600 plus 4 4 the 16. So first of all, we have to add 40,000 and 16. Then it will be 40, 16. After that, we have to subtract 1600. Then 40,000. First of all, 40,000 and 16 will be added. Then we get 6 1 0 0 4. 40016. As we get there, we have written here 40016. Then lastly, we have to subtract 1600. Then 1600 will be subtracted. 6 1. Then 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 1 8. Then here will be 3. 38416 equal to 38416. This is the final answer. So by the formula, with the help of formula, we have to solve another question like these methods. So my dear student of class 8, if any confusion, any doubt regarding my video, then contact on my WhatsApp number and I will confirm. This much enough. Thanks.